Hello children, good morning. This is your English class for UKG. Today we will read lesson 5. The topic is I vowel story. I have, A P-A-P-E-R paper, P-E-N pen, A-N-D and I-N-K ink, O-N on, I-T it, I-T-H-I-N-K think. I have a paper, pen and ink. On it I think. I-W-I-L-L will, D-R-A-W draw, A-G-I-R-L girl, W-E-A-R-I-N-G wearing, A-P-I-N-K pink, M-I-N-K mink. I will draw a girl wearing a pink mink. W-I-T-H with, S-O-M is some, J-U-I-C juice, I-N in, H-E-R her, H-A-N-D hand, T-O-2, D-R-I-N-K drink. With some juice in her hand to drink. L-E-T-S lets, E-A-T it, S-O-M-E some, T-H-I-N-G thing, something, N-I-C-E nice. Let's eat something nice. I will. This is the short form I will. We read I will, H-A-V-E have, L-I-M-E lime, A-N-D and I-C-E eyes. I will have lime and eyes. W-I-T-H with, S-O-M-E some, F-R-E-S-H phrase, R-I-C-E rice. With some phrase rice. A-N-D and, A-N and, O-R-A-N-G-E orange, S-L-I-C-E slice. And an orange slice, C-A-N can, Y-O-U-S-E-E T-H-E the, M-I-C-E mice. Can you see the mice? E-A-T-I-N-G eating, B-I-T-S bits, O-F of, R-I-C-E rice, eating bits of rice. More words. B-L-I-N-K blink, L-I-N-K link, M-I-N-K mink, P-I-N-K pink, S-I-N-K sink, then repeated S-I-N-K sink, R-I-N-K rink, W-I-N-K wink, D-I-C-E dice, L-I-C-E lice, M-I-C-E mice, N-I-C-E nice, P-R-I-C-E prize. I-T-S its, N-I-G-H-T night, it's night, T-I-M-E time, T-O-2, S-A-Y say, Z-O-O-D good, N-I-G-S-T night, time to say good night. S-W-I-T-C-H switch, O-F off, T-H the, L-I-G-H-T light, switch off the light. D-O N-O-T not, F-I-G-H-T fight, do not fight. I-T it, I-S is, N-O-T not, R-I-G-S-T right, it is not right. S-L-E-E-P sleep, E-A-R-L-Y early, A-N-D and S-L-E-E-P sleep, sleep, T-I-G-S-T tight. Sleep early and sleep tight. T-O-2 G-E-T get, U-P up, I-N in, T-H the, M-O-R-N-I-N-G morning, F-R-E-S-H fresh, A-N-D and B-R-I-G-S-T bright. To get up in the morning fresh and bright. I WENT went. TO2 A PARK park. WITH with. MY my. FRIEND friend. I went to a park with my friend. BUT but. COULD could. NOT not. DECIDE decide but could not decide. TO2 PLAY play. ON A SLIDE slide to play on a slide. or SIT sit. On a SIDE side or sit on a side. TO2 RUN run. or HIDE hide to run or hide. SO WEV CAME came. BACK back. WALKING walking. SIDE side. BY by. SIDE side. So we came back walking side by side. More words. BRIGHT bright. FRIGST fright. HEIGST height. NIGHT height. SIGST sight. NIGHT night. SIGST sight. PRIDE pride. TIDE tide. SIDE side. Dear students, please write the more words in your notebook and learn. I will. TELL tell. YOUUA TRICK trick. I will tell you a trick. OF of. EATING eating. ACANDY candy. STICK stick. Of eating a candy stick. YOUHAVE have. TO2 BEB QUICK quick. You have to be quick. TO2 LICK like. THED CANDY candy. STICK stick. You like the candy stick. DO NOT not. EAT it. MORE more. Do not eat more. or YOUUWILL will. GET get. SICK sick. Or you will get sick. THE the. CLOCK clock. STRUCK struck. NINE 9. The clock struck 9. IT it. IS is. TIM time. TO2 DINE dine. It is time to dine. IS is. THIS this. YOUR your. PLATE plate. OR MINE mine. Is this your plate or mine? SEEC THAT dat. ENGINE engine. WITH with. NUMBER number. NINE 9. See that engine with number 9. GOING going. DOWN and down. TH the. RAIL rail. WAY way railway. LINE line. Going down the railway line. WHEN when. CSHOES shoes. ARER POLISHED polished. THEY they. W-I-L-L, will. S-C-H-I-N-E, shine. When shoes are polished, they will shine. More words. B-R-I-C-K, brick. L-I-C-K, lick. P-I-C-K, pick. S-I-C-K, sick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. T-I-C-K, tick. W-I-C-K, wick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. T-R-I-C-K, trick. T-H-I-C-K, thick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. D-I-N-E, dine. F-I-N-E, fine. L-I-N-E, line. M-I-N-E, mine. N-I-N-E, nine. P-I-N-E, pine. V-I-N-E, vine. Dear students, please write more words in your notebook and learn. O-H-O-I-T, it. I-S is. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Oh, it is spring. C-A-N-A. C-A-N, can. Y-O-U-H-E-A-R, here. T-H, the. B-I-R-D-S, birds. S-I-N-G, sing. Can you hear the bird sings? S-E-E-C, T-H-E-M, them. F-L-A-P, flap. T-H-E-I-R, there. W-I-N-G-S, wings. See them flap their wings. I-T-S, its. T-H, the. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. O-F, of. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. It's the season of spring. A-L-O-N-G, along. W-I-T-H, with. I-T, it. M-A-N-Y, many. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. I-T, it. B-R-I-N-G-S, brings. Along with it. Many flowers it bring. More words. B-R-I-N-G, bring. R-I-N-G, ring. S-I-N-G, sing. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. W-I-N-G, wing. Exercise time. Complete the following words. The picture is zip. Zip is spelling Z-I-P, zip. Next is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. And next is hill. H-I-L-L, hill. And next is kite. Kite is spelling K-I-T-E, kite. Fill here I. Next is rice. Rice is spelling R-I-C-E, rice. And the last is juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Dear students, please write the more words in your notebook and learn. Thank you.